Hey everybody, Anthony Warrenzak here, Safety and Compliance Manager for Rollins Wildlife Division. As part of our ongoing commitment to your safety while on the job, especially while using ladders, we want to make sure you have the correct tools and equipment to perform your job safely. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a tool for ladder stability called the Lockjaw Ladder Grip. Now, it's very important to use this tool correctly. As with any tools that you use when it comes to ladder safety, always read the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure this little knob at the very top, this adjustment knob, is completely disengaged by turning it counterclockwise. And probably give it maybe 2 or 3 turns. And what this is going to do is raise this lock bar up to give you clearance when you go to attach the mechanism to the customer's gutter. You want to make sure you have the lock bar aligned with the correct rail that you're going to be working with. The best way that I would do that is take the lockjaw, make sure you go over to the ladder, and simply place your finger on one of the little clips here, slide it over to the opposite position, and you'll see that it fits correctly into place. Now, the next step before ascending the ladder, you want to go ahead and disengage this trigger right here, which holds the handle in place. Now this involves 2 fingers. You want to place your thumb on this little clip here and your index finger on the little push point underneath. Push them both together. It's going to unlock the handle. Now before ascending the ladder, to ensure that we have 3 points of contact, we're going to use this clip and attach it to our belt loop, just like so. Now I have my hands free and I'm ready to ascend the ladder. Now that you've reached the top of the ladder, the next thing you want to do is reach back with your hand wherever you have the ladder device at, unclip it from your belt loop, bring it up to the ladder, and then while still maintaining 3 points of contact, you want to take the device kind of at an angle, face it down, make sure this lock bar is over the rail that you're working on, and then you're going to work with it a little bit to get it to drop down in there just like so. Make sure it lines up. Once it's in place, you're going to take this handle and just click it just like so. After it's clicked, very important, you want to make sure the lock bar itself is flush against the rail of the ladder. To do that, you're going to take this little piece right here with your index finger, move it away or towards you, away from the unit, and then take this piece here and slide it snug against the rail of the ladder. Now I'm going to give it a little tug, kind of, shake it a little bit, make sure that it's stable. Now that I've completed the task for the customer, I'm ready to descend the ladder. When I descend, I want to make sure I bring the lockjaw ladder grip with me. And to do that, again, while maintaining 3 points of contact, I'm going to reach over with my right hand and I'm going to take this little piece here, engage it to the right, and then just slide, and you'll see where it unlocks right here. Next, I'm going to take the trigger using my index finger and thumb, engage the handle, lift up, and as you can see, it easily comes loose. I want to make sure that clears the lip of the gutter. And again, make sure you always maintain 3 points of contact. And using this little clip it to your belt loop, and then we're ready to descend.